Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on a 2018 Jeep Renegade. It's going to take like 10-15 minutes to do this job. So you're going to need this filter. This is the number for the STP cabin air filter. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a T25 star bit, if you can see it right there, so focus. Your Jeep should have came with one when you bought it. If not, it's just a T25. I'm going to use my impact gun with an attachment. So first, I'll go over what we got to do. You got those 3 screws, right? 1, 2, and 3. You got to take those out. And then you have 3 more underneath this carpet. 1, 2, and 3. Take those 6 out, and we'll pop this cover off. And there will be 1 more screw behind this cover. Then we should be able to drop this whole entire glove compartment here. And behind this is where the cabin air filter is. We'll pull that baby out and swap her out. Those 6 are out. Then we'll move over here and pop that cover off. Alright, grab your flathead screwdriver. You can kind of get in this corner. Just easily work your way underneath that cover. There's going to be a clip right here. Another clip. You should be able to work it right up with your fingers. You got that last clip in the back. And there's the other screw we have to take out. And then we'll be able to lower that whole thing. So let me grab my impact. Alright. Now this thing is clipped in place as well. So what I like to do is open it. I just grabbed it from the side over here. All right. Just be careful with this wiring right here. We'll just unplug it so we don't have any problems. There we go. So now you can see in here, this is where your cabin air filter goes. You just got to take this 1 screw out, which is a Phillips. And then you got a clip right here You'll just pry off after, and you can see it's already starting to open up. And that will come right off, and we'll be able to get right to that baby. Alright, there's your cover. And just pull the old filter out. Yours will probably look the same way if it hasn't been changed. This has not been changed since it's been brand new. So it's definitely time. Alright, we got our new filter. And these do need to go in a certain direction. So you want to point the arrows down, since it's sucking air from the outside into the cabin. You got your fan right here, it's drawing air down. So you want the arrows down. Push that new one in. Grab your cover. Alright. Now we'll just put everything back together. Starting with this screw. Plug this wiring in. Make sure you push the wiring back up through here. There's a little hole so you don't pinch the wiring. When we put this back on, get it right up where it needs to be. You can just give it a little tap, get it back in place. We'll throw the 3 screws back in the bottom. Open the glove box. Put the other 3 back up top. Come back over here. Put the side screw back in. All right. Set your glove box. Underneath here. Hopefully that sun isn't glaring my video. You got these. You see right here, that clip, it goes up over. Just like that. And you got another one right here. And you just push this up. Alright, now that's all set. Then we just need to throw this little panel back on. So that's pretty easy. Just get it where it needs to be lined up. And just give it a little tap. Make sure all your clips are clipped in. And that completes your job. Hopefully this helps you guys out. If you can, give this video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you guys like my content, consider subscribing to my channel. It definitely helps, and I appreciate every single one of you that view my video. Have a good day.